So title this Finding Information from a Quadratic. Do you want to use the one from the bell work? All right, I'll make one up then. All right, so the one that I'm going to give you is there. F of x equals -2 times the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 7. Yes, so we have our x-intercepts first. 3, 0, and -7, 0. And how do you know what those are? Yeah. How do we know it's the opposite sign? Yes, the number it takes to get 0. Number it takes to equal 0. Because it crosses the x-axis at the y value of 0. Now the y-intercept. Yeah, we plug in 0 to the original function. So I have f of 0, meaning I plug in 0 for x, okay, so I have -2 times -3 times 7. Make sure you don't distribute this. It's a common mistake. So you multiply straight across. So I have +6, right? -2 times -3 is +6 times +7, which will give me 42. So my y-intercept is 0, 42. Okay. And as Sam said earlier, plug in 0 for x and simplify. Now, we finally have our maximum and minimum, which we'll eventually learn is called the vertex. We're still in the same toolkit entry. How do I find that? Oh, don't plug in 42. Yeah, because that'll find where our axis of symmetry is, where the middle point is, okay? Okay, so I have to add my x-intercepts. So I have 3 plus -7, and I divide by 2. So that'll give me -4 divided by 2. So that's -2. And that is my x value. Now how do I find my y value? I agree. So I plug -2 in for x. So I have -2 times -5 times +5. So that should be +10 times 5, which is 50. So this point is 250. And so is that going to be a maximum or minimum? Maximum. How do we know it's a maximum? What? It's positive. It's above the x-axis. Yep. Okay. So here, we found the halfway point between the x's.
Isn't it
-2,
-250?
+50. Yes, sorry. Thank you. We did that by adding the x's and dividing by 2. Well, the x-intercepts and dividing by 2. And we plugged it into the function. Ooh. Well, ran out of room, but no, that spells function, not functio. To simplify for the y value. And that is your toolkit entry for finding information from a quadratic.